fellow graduates who could join us here this afternoon to participate in this milestone event. Today is a day of celebration, but without the love and constant support of our parents, along with the guidance and determination of our teachers. Here in Letriam School, none of us would be here today. To the class of 2009, congratulations! We finally are at the stage in our lives we have hoped for. All of our ups and downs during our stay here in Letriam School have at last come to an end. We will continue what we had started here in Letriam to another stage of learning. So my message to the class of 2009 is, there's no such thing as failure, just opportunities to learn more. Thank you and good afternoon to all.